Alright guys, so we're going to show all the steps to solve these equations. So these first three are kind of the same. Let me just do the harder one, I guess. So let me go to number 6. So step 1, you draw the line down the equal sign. Alright, now there's no parentheses to take care of. There's no combining like terms that we can do. So we're going to automatically start with moving the variable to the left side and changing it opposite. So I have a plus 5v, and then we're going to take the regular number and move it to the right side, and that's going to become opposite, minus 10. Now when you're plugging this in the calculator, you want to type in -2 plus 5. So you're going to have a -2 plus 5 will give you positive 3v equals, and then -50 minus 10, so this will be a negative symbol, and then this will be a minus symbol, so it's going to be a little bit bigger in the calculator. What is -50 minus 10? You're going to get -60. And now we have a one-step equation. If we see a letter with a number, we divide it. Because this is multiplication, we do the opposite. These cancel out. And then v equals, if we type this in the calculator, we'll get -20. Okay? So you're going to be using the steps in order to solve. So let's say these are the same. All right, now for this problem, whenever you move, all right, let's go and draw our equal sign. This moves to the left, becomes opposite, so I'm going to say -18. And then the 3 is going to move to the other side. It'll become -3. But there's nothing left over, so it'll be 0 minus 3. So we plug this in the calculator. What is 0 minus 3? I'm left with -3. On this side, 15 minus 18, plug that in your calculator, you'll get -3y. And then again, my letter's on this side, so I'm always going to divide this number that's next to the letter. It cancels out. Y equals, if I type in -3 divided by -3, I'm going to get +1. Now these ones on the bottom are a little bit harder, because now I do have parentheses. So draw your line down the equal sign. Distribute. So 3 times 5, you're multiplying, you're going to get 15x. 3 times 2, you're going to get a +6. Then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing over here, since we have parentheses. 2 times 3, we have 6x. 2 times -6 is -12. Now from here, we're going to do the same as we did before. We just start moving stuff around. The 6x moves to the left. The +6 moves to the right. Remember, they become opposite. Alright, this is probably the hardest one with the 12, because, alright, draw your line, always draw your line. Once you distribute the parenthesis number, we do not distribute this number in the back. So 7 times p will be 7p. 7 times 3 is going to be +21. And then this is just a +9. Now from here, I can go ahead and put whatever like terms. So I have a p, I have regular. So these two can add. So it'll be 7p plus 30. And then on this side, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. 5p. 5 times -2 is -10. And then this number just drops. Now I have 5 p's and I have -3 p's. So what is 5 plus -3? You combine them and you get 2p. And then this -10 is chilling. So from here, now we start moving things across over like we did before. And yeah, that's basically it. You're just solving this. Once you get this done, turn it in so you can get the extra ticket, and that's it. Last thing I can say is make sure that whenever you have a letter, I mean, if you want to put a 1, you can put a 1 like that. Try a line. Remember, anything with the variable goes this way. All the other regular numbers go to the right. This is going to be a -3, so it becomes a +3. What's 1y plus 3y's? It's going to be 4y equals, we have a -3, it's going to be +3. -43 plus 3, type that in the calculator, get -40, and then you always divide for the last step.